Wala ko yung malapit ito eh.
Ay, kuya, ito ah, parang nanaw. Parang ang nanaw!
Ha? Mamaya pagkamala ka ng lamang.
First possession goes to RJ.
Oh, chops!
Santo.
Paingay namin.
Santo, pass to number 9, back to number 87, to number 8 to 1. Number 8.
Ano ka, pasa?
Fires. No good. Rebound goes to number 47.
Ano yan, pasa?
Pasa ba yan, pasa?
Ano yan, pasa?
Number 3.
Alam mo yan eh.
Ito sa gitna.
Yes, how it goes. Guys, nice. Short. Sundot, Santo.
Nakapalit nga pala yung sumakbakan siya kasi ano?
Stop. Fires.
Santo.
In and out.
Magkalaban.
Ano kalulutang tao?
Not 9. 9. Jersey number 56. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Fire. Short. Rebound goes to number 81. Number 81. Number 81. Crossing the issue. Number 81. 40.
Ayaw wala.
Wala na.
Tinukod mo po.
Number 56.
Wala kang tiyano mo. Wala kang susunod sa
Number 3. Patay. Ang papasahan. Pass to number 20 to Magkaya. Magkaya pass. Wala. Ibang. Number 47. Number 20. Number 20 pass. No good. Salto.
Layo na pa wala.
Salto. Ang pass. Ako pala ng jersey number 81. Back to number 87. Number 87. Take a shot. Wala. Tapi ka ng bola at may foul. Foul by jersey number 3. Hacking foul.
Wala na kami score.
First person foul, jersey number 3.
Wala.
Ayaw tayo
Patay.
Wala pang score ah.
Ayaw nga magkula.
Drives. Fires. Double. Paano Magkaya. Crossing the issue. Magkaya fires. At nanako mo ng foul. Foul commit by jersey number 3. Second personal foul, jersey number 3. Second team foul. 2 shots for jersey number 22, Mag-9.
Babayang medyas na yan.
Ang tira wala.
Ha? Busog!
Second last shot. Wala. Tapi ka ng bola. One jersey number 2. Number 81. Pass to number 87, Santo. Waktu Marari. Ang papasahan.
Tao si ano eh.
Number 3. Number 3 fires. Double. Rebound jersey number 47. Number 3.
Bow!
Number 3 nagmamadali. Number 47 fires. Double. Pencil rebound jersey number 22. Number 22. Good. For 2.
Sasalita eh.
Skor po natin. Thank you lang. At 2.
Sige nga na, yun na eh.
Nakadala si Putaw.
Number 18.
Aw!
Yung wala. Santo.
Yun na!
Ayaw ba?
Mura ka cinta mo ka! Hindi makaplakad. Mura ka cinta mo ka!
Number 3 for Neymar. Number 81. Number 81. Take pass to number 87.
Papa.
Guerra. Number 41. Number 87. No good. Number 16 for the rebound. Number 3. Matibay, jersey number 12. 82 rather, jersey number 3. Number 82. No good. Rebound, number 16.
Whatever. Sala.
Number 9, Bautista, intercepted. Number 41. Number 41. 9 minutes to play. Number 81, Marali.
Marali.
No good. Rebound, number 16. Number 9, Bautista.
Patabo.
Intercepted. Number 87. In and out.
Papa eh. Busog ang ring.
Jersey number 3. Number 9, coming from the baseline. Number 16. No good. Santo.
Ayan, di pala sin down. Sin down. Guwapo, wala pa. Si Guwapo lang inaasahan din.
Number 82. Jersey number 11.
Nagre-repeat si
Kanino ka saya?
Number 16. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Ano kaya sayawan ka laro?
10 seconds to shoot.
Ayaw mo na!
Makasuta siya. All zero.
Number 81. Bring it on the level.
One family.
Number 41. Guerra.
Isa, nakashoot si Bahaw. Shoot!
On the middle. Firing. No good. Rebound for Tibay. Jersey number 3. Number 3. 7 minutes to play. Number 82. Firing. No good. Number 3 for the rebound.
Kala si Ipok.
Number 11. Hits and fire. No good. Number 11. Parang kanina lang. Ano? Quick play.
Shoot!
Number 81. Number 82. Guerra. Number 16.
Kala.
For the layup. Connecting. 40.
Kapag kaya naman.
Papatiri.
Kapag kaya naman.
Pag may
Number
hagdanan.
87. Santo. 40.
Kalakbak mo rin yan. Panalo din eh. One team family.
Jersey number 3. Number 16.
Si Bihoy lang ang magaling.
Firing on the rainbow. Coming short. Substitution. Number 9 out.
Dini oh.
Number 81. Number 41.
Shoot, Papa Manny!
Number 16.
Nadali si Manny.
Number 81. Turnover.
Okay, boom. Dali na.
Number 3.
Dali na. Dali na.
Number 82. Number 16. Reyes. 40. Number 81. Bring it on the letter. Number 41. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Number 81.
Ay, ilag na ilag sa
Number
kulay.
87. Number 87. Connecting for 2.
Maingay. Ba, nag-cheer. Ano yung nabibingin na?
Jersey number 82, Guerra.
Parang nga manalo sila. Hindi kayo naman nasa naglalaro.
Number 3, back to number 82. Number 11, Hernandez. And a whistle, foul called for jersey number 16. First personal foul for jersey number 16. Time remaining 3:48.
Yan, baka pumasok sa lupang kulang.
Pakatapakan na yung taka.
A first shot, no good.
Sinabi na tumulog na lang.
Second and last, number again. Number 87. And a whistle. Foul called for jersey number 82. Timeout, Jamie and Taylor. Time remaining 3 minutes, 22 seconds. Press 22. Back to the ball game.
Kapatid nila Jubel. Makater. Shoot na agad!
Number 88. Back to number 87. Turnover.
Leftover.
Ay, tira-tira.
Oh.
Number 3.
Turnover dati leftover. Tirahe!
Number 11.
Ay, tirahe!
Number 16. Pirates. Rebound pass. Number 16.
Dala ulit!
Doggy.
Oh, nagagawan pa kayo. Ayun, Diretso!
Salto. Basket.
Nasa pound.
Basket plus a foul called on jersey number 87. Huh? Okay, substitution. Number 3 out. Second personal foul for jersey number 82. One shot is due. 3-point play for jersey number 87.
Talaga dito si Baho na ito.
Kera. Hernandez. Leza. Connecting. 40.
Sabi nila.
O baka daw nakalpas.
Number 16, jersey number 81. 2 minutes to play. Number 88, number 87, Santo on the middle, connecting for 3. Number 11, jersey number 12, Malaluan, and a whistle. Foul called on, jersey number 81, holding foul, 2 shots. First personal foul for jersey number 81. 2 shots, jersey number 12, Malaluan.
Apo.
First shot, airborne. Uy, hindi tigay yun. Alto, burp.
In English pa eh.
Akala kayo to.
Sa buhay ka naman. Reyes, for the putback. Hindi, burp ang tawag doon.
Burp. Baby.
Number 88.
Ano ka baby pa?
Intercepted. Number 82. Kera, 40. 1 minute to play. Official score 11-10. Number 3, Sola. Rejected. Number 2, for the rebound. Number 87. Santo. 40.
Pabilis ganito si Bahaw.
13-10. Our official score. Number 82. Number 11. Rejected. Number 12. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Yes, no good. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds. 15 segundos ang nalalabing. 15 segundos. Number 11. No good. 10 seconds. Dito tayo sa One family. Number 81, jersey number 16, Pirate, Nokti, 14.
Ay, hindi ko nakunan. Sino kasi?
Number 7, number 23. No good. And it's a turnover. Number 87, Salto, bring it down the ladder. Salto, on the rainbow, coming short, battle for rebound, jersey number 12, Luwan. Number 12, lays up, no good. Number 81, number 87, 2-on-2 situation, 2-on-3, number 87, Salto, no good. Number 7, jersey number 11, number 16, Pirate, no good, battle for rebound, number 3, Sola, number 87, Santo, no good, number 7, number 16, number 23, number 23, number 11, number 16. Timeout. One family. Time remaining 7 minutes and 58 seconds. 7 and 58. With our official score.
Say hi kayo sa camera. Sabi mo hi, Dug.
17-12.
Dugong. Sabi Dugong hi.
Back to the ball game.
Abangan mo ngayong mukha bukas sa TV, ha? Ha? Papanoorin mo, ara, ha? Ilalagay nito sa TV.
Nalabas si alas 4 ng madaling araw. Yan nila.
Pag nalas ka ng gising, hindi mo na mapapanood. Bahala ka.
Number 88. Number 81. And a blocking foul. Called on, jersey number 23, blocking foul, ball to Iban. First personal foul for jersey number 23. Number 16, no good. Number 12, jersey number 7. Number 12, ball stays. Number 7, makikitang in. Number 7, in and out. And a whistle, foul, basket nullified. Foul goes on. Number 81. Second personal foul for jersey number 81. Basket nullified tayo. Ball to Iban. Ball to Iban. Dalawa. Number 23. No good. Turnover.
Alay na ako. Sabihin niyo pagka ako'y ngalay na, ha? Ako'y papalitan.
Number 16, Sola.
Number 88, Suriba.
Shoot.
Number 87, no good. Rebound number 11, Hernandez. Number 23, and a whistle. Foul called on jersey number 16. First personal foul for jersey number 16. Number 11, Hernandez. Number 16, Reyes. 40. Number 81, bringing down the ladder with 6 minutes to play. Number 81, number 88. Suriba, tight to garden, back to number 81. Number 87. Salto, running shot, connecting for 2. Okay. Number 11. Number 12. Number 11. Number 7. Firing. No good. Number 16. And a foul called on jersey number 87. Substitution. Number 7 of blue. First personal foul for jersey number 87. Substitution, number 16 out. Time remaining 5 minutes and 6. 5 and 6. Number 11. Hernandez on the baseline and a whistle. A foul called for jersey number 41, Guerra. Third personal foul for jersey number 41. First shot, no good. Second and last, number 11, Hernandez. No good again. Rebound for jersey number 12, Timalaluan. Number 11, no good. Kanya uli. No good. Number 16, putbacks, no good. Rebound number 41. Number 41. The jersey number 81. Bringing down the ladder. Number 87. Salto. Number 88. Suriba. Number 3. Sola. No good. Sola again. Setting back the play with 4 minutes to play on our second period.
Shoot!
Sola. 40.
Yun ang score na.
Number 3, jersey number 23. Number 11, 42. Number 41. Firing on the rainbow, coming short. Timeout. JME Egg Dealer. Time remaining 3 minutes and 11 seconds. 3 and 11.
Ala, si Pijo. T-shirt mo.
Game.
Ate, ikaw na nga. Malay na ako.
Yung, kamay mo ma. Mak, kamay mo. Sabi lang ang kamay.
Iba ko magbitawan ko. Di pasado.
Number 60. Bring it down the ladder. Number 11.
Wala.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 16 on the rainbow, off the mark. Rebound number 11. Number 12, no good. Turn over.
Left over.
Number 88, this is number 81. Number 41, Guerra. Number 88, so Riva. Number 87. Number 41, number 87. Number 80. 40. 2-14. Number 16. Number 23. Number 3 on the baseline. No good. Rebound number 81. 2 minutes to go. Number 81 Manali. Bring it on the ladder. On the rush, jersey number 88. No good. Number 23. Number 16. And a whistle. Basket nullified. Foul called on. Jersey number 41. Substitution. Number 21 out. At 12. Baliktad ka, brother. Wala pa, boss. Wala pa. Third pa lang. Third nga, boss. Oh, hindi po penalty yung nag-free throw kanina, sir. Hindi penalty yung nag-free throw. Di kita akong shooting yun, kaya tayo nag-free throw. Ball to imbag nga po tayo, third personal. Okay. Yan, thank you. Layo mo po. Number 12. Number 82. Pare. Number 82. 42. Ganun.
Nagalit niyo yung announcer.
Number 87. 1 minute to play. Number 41. Number 87. Back to number 88. On the rainbow. No good. Rebound number 23. Number 11. Number 82. Number 16. Number 3. Intercepted. Number 87. 14. 30 seconds. Number 82.
18-21. Papakita naman na nagsibaho eh.
Shot lock. 15 seconds. Intercepted. Shot lock isa. Center. 40. 15 seconds. 10.
Pakita yung leg, si Bahaw.
5.
Ay, foul.
And a whistle. Foul called on. Jersey number 87.
Ilan lang ba?
That basket? Okay, that's the basket. 2 seconds. 2 segundos.
Okay lang. Ano ba score na? 27.
Bonus shot for jersey number 16. 2 seconds. 2.
Ano, kaya ni 31 na.
21 lang kaya kanina.
Yun ako na may...
Paano kanina ka ganon?
And off the first half with division jersey number 82. Number 23. Pirate. No good. Rebound number 87. Santo.
Magpapait ka
Number
sila.
87. Nakamisot. 40.
Pag nanalo ang GMA, magpapaitlog si parang Aiden.
Ay, yung manager yata.
Number 82. Guerra. Number 11, Hernandez on the baseline. No good. Number 3, Tibay. No good again. Rebounds to Riva. Jersey number 88. Number 81, Marali. Number 81. Nifty.
Agad-agad.
Number 16.
2 minutes!
And a whistle. Foul called on. Jersey number 41. Substitution. Number 3 out. Third.
Nako. Ay, pasok ko si Tagalog.
Maliksik sa'yo.
Number 11. Patok for rebound. Number 88. Intercepted. And it's a common ball. Ball possession tayo. One family.
Aray ko kay Kaso.
Oh, pagka may baso.
Lalagpas ko ikaw, please.
Number 87, Salto. Bring it down the ladder.
Basahin kay ano, kay Bisoy.
Number
Sakit
87.
Tagalog.
Number 81. Back to number 87. No good. Number 11. Number 23. 42. Number 81. Number 88. Sorita. Number 87, Salto. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Turnover, lane violation. 7 minutes to play. Number 33, 7 minutes. Here's number 82 to number 16, Reyes. Number 16, bring it down the ladder. Number 16, number 18, Guerra. Number 23. No good. Ball stays tayo with shot clock at 13 seconds. 13 segundos para makapos do. 13.
English na.
12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 81, bring it down the ladder.
Huwag ka may bukas eh.
Lagi, looking for his teammates. Number 88, Suriba. Snap shot, no good. Ball out of bounds. Turnover.
Left over.
With time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 16, Reyes. Bring it down the ladder. Dalawa, number 82. Number 12 to number 16. 42. Number 18, bring it down the ladder. Number 41, Guerra. Number 41, Pirate. Left field, 42. Number 16, Reyes. Number 12, Malaluan, 42. Number 87. Number 81. Number 88. Number 51. No good. Rebound jersey number 81. Number 87. Santo. In and out. Rebound jersey number 12. 5 minutes to play. Number 16. Coming short. Rebound number 87. Number 82. Number 23.
Daddy!
Number 82. Back to number 23. Number 82. Pirate. Coming short. Rebound jersey number 11. Rebound back. Number 88. Number 81. Number 87. And a whistle. Basket Alifan. Back hold on. Jersey number 82. Substitution. Sir, ano kaya? Sir? Time out kaya? Hindi yung kabila. Okay, time out. JME Egg Dealer. Time remaining 4 minutes and 8 seconds. 4 and 8.
Shoot! Mali na muna yun.
Layo ba? 408.
Daw sa ilong eh.
408.
Nalawa sa ilang doon.
Para kang umuwi.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Kakamatay ito kayo ninong eh. Walang kamutan ng itlog. Itlog eh.
Sana matulog.
Kaya tadi sa video, kakamatay.
Go, Ninang.
Number 41, Jenna.
Ninang.
Number 87, Salvo.
Go, Ninang.
Number 87.
Ninang Tris.
Number 81, Rainbow of Dumar. Battle 41, jersey number 11. Number 23, Apa code on jersey number 11.
Mga inom ka preno.
First personal foul for jersey number 11. Substitution.
Sabihin mo na ako gusto ng bali ang star player.
Time remaining natin. Plus 18, 3 minutes, 18 seconds.
Shoot! 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 Ay, lakas!
Subo!
Sala ulit.
Mahina lang.
Sala pa. Shoot! Shoot! Sa kalabang kaya ako. Shoot! Shoot! Ayaw nga ng baby.
Second shot is good.
Baba!
Dapat yung mga shirt na itin natin na pinuputulan.
Number 23, number 16. No good. Battle for Ivan, jersey number 12. No good again. Ivan. Number 18.
Sabay ko yung shoot. Ay, sana pala.
Number 41.
Shoot!
Number 87. Santo. No good. Ivan, number 11, Hernandez.
Kalanin mo!
Nakalisot, number 11.
Kalanin!
Number 23. Closing the issue and connecting 20.
Ate Jo, ang ulo. Ay.
Number 18, jersey number 87. Bring it out the letter. Number 87. 2 minutes to play.
Shoot, Ninong.
Number 87. 15 seconds on the shot clock.
Ay, Maralit! Maralit 88.
10 seconds to shoot. And a whistle. A flagging foul called on jersey number
Ilan ba yan?
23. Anak pa. Second personal foul for jersey number 23. Second team pa lang. Wala pa. Tayo. Number 87, Salto. Number 41, number 87.
Gumali pa si Bako eh.
Makakapasok ka. Sakyaw na lang po. Hello? Yeah.
Miami Hicks.
Number 3. Number 23, and a whistle. Foul called on jersey number 41.
Hindi naman sinasadya eh.
Libay.
Fourth personal foul for jersey number 41. A warning for disqualification. Okay, substitution. Ref. Galing po tayo dead ball, sir. Pumito po ng foul. Pwede po natin bigyan ng substitution yan.
Napakarami namang ano nito. Kaya, ano kang maingay dyan?
Bili kita ng trophy.
Number 3. No good.
Player.
Number 23. 40. Number 87. 15 seconds on the shot clock.
Ikaw ay pagagi magsusutid ng pang...
10 seconds to shoot. No good. 40 seconds. Number 16. Shot lock is off. 22 seconds. 20 seconds. 15.
Whatever.
And the whistle foul hold on. Jersey number 16.
Gabusin na yan.
Wala pa ba? Patatlo pa naman. Okay. 8 segundos. 8 segundos. Wayo.
Baba! Ang short. Baba kayo, baba. Tres!
5 seconds. And off the third period. Number 82, number 23.
Yeah!
Number 18, number 18. And a whistle. A foul called on jersey number 12.
Nababading na ka ba?
First personal foul to jersey number 12.
Pogi mo.
Masyado napaka-pogi, mami.
Shoot!
Shoot!
Shoot! Shoot! Shoot!
Oh?
First shot, no good.
Lumukas daw spot. Siyaw! Wow! Siyaw! Siyaw!
Second shot, no good again. Last touch, jersey number 82, ball possession, 1 family.
3 points na.
Number 81, number 88. Number 88, jersey number 87. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 88, Lisa. So, Lima. 4-2. Jersey number 82, Guerra, setting off the play. Jersey number 23, back to number 82. And a whistle. Basket nullified, fall downstairs. Called on jersey number 3. First personal foul for jersey number 3, Sola.
Sala.
Number 11.
Oy!
Turnover.
Forward! Forward! Nag-right one!
Number 81. Jersey number 87. Number 87. Setting off the play. Jersey number 81. Back to number 87. Number 81. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Lima, 7 minutes to play on our last period. Number 82, number 16, Reyes. Number 16, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 82, coming short. Rebound Sola. Next turnover. Ball possession tayo, 1 family. Number 87, Salto, bring it down the ladder.
Batang
Number 87, Salto. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Sola, rejected. Intercepted, jersey number 11. 6 minutes to play.
Ay, bulin, hindi pala naka-play.
Jersey number 16, penalty.
Hindi pala naka-play. Forward!
208.
Yes!
Okay, third personal foul for jersey number 16, penalty, JME.
Shoot! Kuya, bye!
Bye! Shoot!
Shoot, bye! Ay!
Okay,
Ay,
first
baba!
shot.
Ayos lang yan!
Jersey number 3, Sola. Next game, be
Sala!
ready.
Sola!
Shoot!
Ay... Hajan.
Shoot! Kuya, bye!
Shoot! 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 Doink!
Rebound, number 88. And a foul called on jersey
Bradway.
number 23.
Forward!
Fourth personal foul for jersey number 23. Warning for disqualification.
Forward!
2 minutes naglalas.
Shoot! Shoot!
203. The first shot is good. Second and last for jersey number 88.
Shoot! Wala Asan yung batang?
No good.
Yung lagi.
Number 23. Last. Minute yeah, 14.
Tayo, no?
Number 3, and a whistle. Foul on jersey number 20.
May pansin na.
Gracias.
Ten. Taran.
52. 52, 37.
Shoot!
Para si Kuya Ben.
Okay, first shot, no good.
Kuya Ben, pa-shoot!
Second and last, this is
Shoot!
number 3.
Shoot, bye! Time!
This good.
Woohoo! Forward!
1 minute and 45 seconds.
Alay, galit na eh. Di na, ba't ako?
Number 87,
Si Fernand
for the inbound.
Si Fernand.
Number 3. And a whistle, foul called on, jersey number 16. Personal foul for jersey number 16. Warning for disqualification.
Shoot! 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 Tararan!
First shot, no good.
Shoot!
Okay. Second and last, for jersey number 3.
Tanta naman!
Lagay niyo duo. Shoot! Alala mo ba?
Number 11.
Ayun na, dire-diretso.
Bonalea, no good.
Or one!
Substitution. Okay.
Yeah, pinasok ko na si Jap.
No good. Rebound jersey number 3.
Or one! Or one!
And a whistle.
Or one!
Foul called on, jersey number 11. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining.
Or one! Bigay ata ang larong.
Second personal foul, jersey number 11.
Shoot!
Or one. Ay, sayang.
First shot,
Pares kayo
no
ni Kuya
good.
Bay.
Second and last, number 81.
No, may pumatak. Parang bubuyog.
No good again, rebound number 88. Number 87. Number 81. Number 7.
Muntik na! Or one!
55 seconds. 55.
Woo!
Number 82. Number 3. Firing. Connecting 40.
30.
Number 81. Number 87. Number 7. 35 seconds. Number 16. Reyes. Bonalea. No good. Number 3. Number 87.
Oh, si Jap.
7. Shot lang isa. 22 seconds. Intercepted. Number 3. Number 88. Number 7.
Oh, kay Jap Play.
10 seconds. 5.
For one! For one!
That's a basket. And the ball game. Official score 53-41. Both teams.